Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. 5 amazing natural cleaning hacks for your kitchen. Number 1. Coconut Mesocarp. Coconut Mesocarp can effectively be used as a cleaning material like the Scotch-Brite in scrubbing your oily cooking pan without scratching or damaging it. Use dishwashing soap together with coconut Mesocarp when washing and it will remove burnt grease and sticky foods left in your cooking pan and other cooking materials. Number 2. Coconut Peat. Coconut peat can be used in removing spilled oil and liquids. Sprinkle or apply the coconut peat to the area of your kitchen with spilled oil or any spilled liquid, and it will perfectly absorb it for easy cleaning and for your safety as well while cooking in your kitchen. Number 3. Wood or charcoal ash. Wood or charcoal ash is effective to polish or brighten your cooking pan, pots or other cooking materials. Use a glove and scrub the dry wood or charcoal ash to any cooking materials. After rinsing, you will see that your cooking material looks shiny again. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 4. Lime. Lime is effective to use when cleaning wooden tables and wooden cutting boards. Compared to lemon, lime's juice is more effective to dissolve or remove left food, meat, fish or even unwanted smells. Use salt together with lime by simply squeezing it while scrubbing the wooden table or wooden cutting board. Let it dry from 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse it with water and sponge to have a clean and smell-free wooden table and cutting board. Number 5. Beach sand. Beach sand can also be used in cleaning the base of your kitchen cooking materials like cooking pots and pan. Use a glove and just rub the base of your dirty cooking pan using beach sand, and it will remove all the unwanted dirt. Rinse it for the final procedure, and you will see the perfect result. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 9 smart cleaning tips you need to know. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.